I am Mariano and I am the CEO of Blur. Here we do mainly digital print and embroidery. We work mainly for the high fashion market. The customers come to us because we offer very good quality and a different range of products. In digital print, we work with pigment inks and we can do placed print and also all over print. In embroidery, we have more or less all the techniques, so we can do more or less everything the client needs. Coloreel is a really good improvement for the embroidery because it's possible to do a lot of jobs that it's almost impossible to do with the regular embroidery machines. It's amazing work with Coloreel because the support is very good. They do very nice upgrades and they are always open to listen to us and to do new and different things. I think the future is Coloreel. Our customers really love that and really love the possibilities that they have now thanks to Coloreel.